Today we have a video from Bodycam Legal, and the title of the video is Going 67 in 35 miles per hour zone fails field sobriety test.
Alright, so I'm going to check your eyes. That's why I'm asking those questions. What I want you to do is follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head at all. You understand?
Yes.
Very good. What color is the tip of this pen? Perfect. Ready?
On June 28, 2025, a New Jersey officer conducted a traffic stop that resulted in a driving while intoxicated arrest with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.117%.
Does she not notice him there?
Hello.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Good. I'm with the Shrewsbury Police Department. Can I have your license, registration, insurance?
Yes.
Where are you coming from tonight?
I'm coming from my friend's house.
Friend's house?
Yes.
Where's your friend live?
She lives in Shrewsbury.
Okay. We're in Shrewsbury.
She lives in Asbury Park.
Okay. We're in Asbury Park.
Avenue.
Okay.
Yes, that's our address.
How long were you there for?
Just
Damn, what do you want? The exact coordinates? Like, what the hell?
a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much are you having to drink over there?
4-7 copy, we're around here.
Huh?
Not much at all.
Not much? Okay. The reason I'm asking is, one, you're going 67, and it's a 35 over here. Two, you're swerving all over the place. Three, when you stopped, I don't know if you realize you're up on the curb. And four, I can smell a very strong odor of alcohol coming from your breath. Plus, you're looking all over the place. So that's why I'm asking that question, all right? Just based on what I'm seeing, I don't feel comfortable with you driving inside, running through some tests. So I'm going to have you get out of the car and see if you're okay to drive.
Okay.
Let me just make sure I have all of your documents. Where do you live?
Homedale.
Homedale?
Yes.
What route do you take back to get back to Homedale?
I'm not sure.
That's right. You just follow.
Just so you know, if you don't know, you don't have to answer all these goddamn questions. Okay? You know, like, you don't gotta answer all them questions. Let's do it. If you decide that you want to do the field sobriety test, all right, let's get to it, man. But all these side questions, you know, the officers ask you that stuff to, you know, pull information out of you, see if you trip up and all that type of stuff, whatever, to help build their case or whatever. But come on, man. Let's get to it. Let's get to the action.
You're following the GPS?
Yes.
All right. How's your driving record?
Pretty clean.
Pretty clean? Okay. Four 5 Fort St. County. 1011 New Jersey DL.
4-5, 4 go.
Manar Alcater. Can you run a 12 check on her, please? Did I say that right?
Yes.
All right, good. All right, give me 1 second. I'm going to come around and just walk you out of the car. You guys can slow down.
Damn, out there in the rain.
45, 43 County, myself, and 47 around 42. Gracie, go for that.
All right, man. You can step out of the car. Yeah. Good. And let's go. Since it's raining, let's go where it's nice and dry. Up on the sidewalk over there, underneath the tree. Yeah, that's not too bad. Alright, so I'm going to check your eyes. That's why I'm asking those questions. What I want you to do is follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head at all. You understand?
Yes.
Very good. What color is the tip of this pen? Perfect. Ready? Don't move your head at all. Just your eyes.
Okay.
See it? Right. Try to just stare right at the tip of the pen. Just try not to move your head. Just use your eyes, okay? See?
Push 5, push 2.
Good.
Good. Minnow allocator is negative on it. Nipple.
Yo, I was I see the editing that's going on here, man. Yo. Ew, y'all got 3 body cam footages. I see the type of editing y'all got going on, man. I'm sitting here wondering, like, yo, why the thumbnail like, and like, yo, oh my goodness.
Good. Same thing. I'm just going to go up, okay? All right, good. Do you have any... Okay. So what I want you to do is see this line right here? Stand right in that line. I want you to put your right foot in front of your left, touching heel to toe. Touching heel to toe like this, arms on my side. Don't begin watching that side though. So put your right foot in front of your left, touching heel to toe, arms down by your side. And you're going to stay in that position while I explain the rest of the test. Do not begin inside tight yourself. You understand? When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 toe-to-toe steps, turning each one out loud like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. When you get to 9, keep your lead foot on the ground. Take a series of small steps to turn around. And then once again, 9 steps back. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. When you're walking, look down at your feet. Make sure you turn each step out loud. Walking straight line heel to toe. And once you begin the test, do not stop until you complete it. You understand? You can get...
Failed.
1,
Try to keep your arms back.
2, 3, 4.
Come on, y'all got y'all blurry logo in the middle of the whole. Come on, man.
For this test, okay?
Yes.
Good. Relax inside, tell you to begin. When I tell you to begin, you're going to pick up a leg of your choosing, either your right or left. You're going to pick it up approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping it parallel to the ground, and both legs straight. It's going to look like this. Then your arms down by your side. Count 1001, 1002, 1003, and keep going until I tell you to stop. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'll tell you when to begin. You can begin.
Am I counting?
Yeah, I'm gonna
I'm
hold it out. No problem. So you're gonna put your arms on your side. Pick up the leg of your choosing, approximately 6 inches off the ground. Keeping both legs straight and your raised foot flat to the ground. Looking down at your raised foot, count 1001, 1002, 1003, and keep going until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
You understand? You can begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005,
It's not bad.
2013,
You didn't do bad on that one.
and then just one more thing.
Gotta get you together. Driving that fast out here in the rain too.
45.
Wait, can you just let me? Yes, yeah. Do you feel okay?
45, 48.
Here you go, a little more.
You can show 45, 42.
Maybe a little more.
41, 41, 450. Want to see email 41 for 450 to the clinic.
Does that feel okay?
You can start us up to this location as well.
Good.
Thank you.
What do you have in your car that you need me to grab?
my phone
Just your phone?
and
45, 47.
Your wallet? Okay. I'm gonna get both. Anything else? Yeah. Second, 1 second. Yep. Okay, you just have a seat right in there. Good. Do you have anything in your pockets at all? No. Actually, get out of the car. I'm just.
Hold on, sir. Just have a different feel, sir.
Copy, thank you. Anything else? Alright, you can see it then. Good. I'll be right with you.
This case demonstrates proper Fourth Amendment procedure and standardized field sobriety testing protocols. Let's examine the legal framework. Under Fourth Amendment jurisprudence, traffic stops.
All right. Let's get to the. They're gonna talk about the. Okay, here we go.
Research shows these tests, when properly administered, are 77, 68, and 65% accurate, respectively, at detecting impairment. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, roadside questioning during traffic stops does not require Miranda warning.
Oh man, y'all gonna talk about what she was charged with? DUI, grading the officer.
Existed rideshare, designated driver, or staying requires constant attention to position. Finally, impaired driving at this BAC level.
All right, whatever. We get it. We get the point. We get it. All right. She's drunk. Okay, that's the moral of the story, man. She drunk, man. Damn. That's Yeah, you know, it is what it is. Yeah. Driving drunk is, you know, it's bad enough doing it, you know, with clear weather, you know, with it slippery and stuff like that. You putting a lot of people at risk, man. A lot of people at risk. 37 and 35, that's almost double. Or 67 and 35, that's almost double. On slippery roads like that, and intoxicated, you're cooked. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.